Welcome back, everybody. What's up, YouTube family, and what's up, royalty? I am back with a new one. It has been a while, but I'm not going to worry about what I've been doing because it's only been bringing me up to a new level of success. I hope you all are doing well, and happy Tuesday. It is July 26th, and I believe, yes. And I'm just coming here to simply just give you a little snippet, real short video of how you can best take care of your body. Easy, free, as always. So, you don't need much, of course, yourself, and our very, very favorite prop of the wall. If you have blocks, that's an example I wanted to use and share with you. A foam roller, if you need it, you can use that. And then if you don't have any of that, you can always simply get a blanket, and you'll see me in the video, roll it up. That's pretty much all you need. You can be on your yoga mat or on the floor or the carpet. Just find yourself in a simple place and calm, that's peaceful and as calming for you. And just enjoy. I'll guide you through where to go because we simply forget that these things are so easy. They're everywhere, and so it's accessible. It's free, and it's going to bring so much ease and comfort for the body. Today we're going to simply get rid of any discomfort or dis-ease that comes from the lower back, those hips, as well as those ankles. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to Shayla's Journey to Success. If you're a returning visitor, I missed you all. I'm sorry I've been MIA for a while, but welcome back. I'm getting back and I got my space once again, so I'm very excited, and there's going to be so much more to come. But for now, keep on watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button and comment below if you're feeling these vibes and these flows, asanas, or poses. And I will be so sure to bring you so much more. Talk to you soon. Enjoy. Okay, now once you've found all your props that you think you will need, find yourself in that comfortable, peaceful, quiet place. I invite you to take a big, deep breath in, and then when you're ready, you'll shift your hips around and meeting your back on the pillow, blanket, or ground, and legs up to the ceiling. They can be as straight as you like, or slightly bent at the knees. You can allow your hands to fall off to the sides, or they can rest on your chest or your womb, which we call belly, and just begin to breathe. It's something about elevating the legs over the heart. Just breathing here, letting that blood circulate, allowing our body, the upper half, to get a break as well. Just breathe. Big belly breath in, exhaling when you feel best to do so. Remember, there's nothing else you have to do but just breathe. Adjust what you need, and then bring your awareness back to your breathing. When you're ready, on your next inhale, reach your arms up overhead and bend the left leg across the right, about a 45-degree or 90-degree angle on both knees. Those arms reach through, we'll go in for a figure 8. Giving ankle circles or movement that just feels comfortable in your body. You can pull that knee in closer, exhale it back out towards the wall. And what we do on one side, we repeat on the other. But before we go to the other side, take your knees in, squeezing and hugging yourself. Exhaling whenever you find best to do so. And realizing what leg you had up. And then we cross it over. This time the right leg crosses over the left. Figure 8, those hands and arms go through that leg and opening. And breathe here. Allowing your body to settle a little bit closer towards the ground. Allow your head to turn wherever it feels comfortable. Invite ankle circles. Or just breathe. Release, and when you find best to do so, and just give it a bit of a stretch in any direction. Squeeze those knees towards the chest. Hug yourself. Your head can come up or it can rest on the ground. And then when you're ready, allow that right foot to plant down and the left leg begins to go in circular motions, opening up the hips. You can navigate it by using your hands to hold the thigh or knee, or just do it free flow. Bringing the foot into your right palm, you can cross the leg over one way and then the other, giving a full stretch of those hips. Yes, waking them back up. Being mindful of where it may feel good or where you feel some sensation you no longer want. Release when you're ready. Straighten out that leg. Flex that foot against the wall towards you. Breathe. Plant it straight up to the ceiling, back towards you, and just continue to inhale and exhale them out. Your mind may drift off, but just bring your breathing back to your awareness. Exhaling the left leg down, we repeat circles of the right hip and ankles and leg, and they can be big as you want or as small as you need them to be. Take time to listen to your body, going one way and then the other. Any variation of your liking, but just continue to breathe, softening your thoughts, keeping a slow, calm heart rate. And just when you had enough, release, crossing that leg over the left and shifting that knee and leg over the right side and then to the left. Remember, this is your practice, so go as wide or as not so wide as you need, and breathe. Big breath in, straighten that leg out. You may pop, you may crack, but let it go free against the wall. Flexing that foot towards you, inhaling, exhaling it out towards the wall. Straighten it out. Adding a slight bend in the knee, it's absolutely fine and it's safe to do so. Take as many as you feel you need, but at least give yourself about 4 full breaths here. Straighten that leg back out for one good stretch along the back side of that leg and ankle. Exhale, release it down. When you're ready, we're just going to go for windshield wipers. Going to your right and then to your left. Create space between the knees and thighs so that they both extend over to either side. And listen to your body. Maybe you need to hold a little longer or release a little sooner. Yes, your arms can rest on you or they can go out into a T for a little bit more support, pressing into the ground. And your neck can follow or hang still. Last one. Me adjusting the camera, and as you continue to breathe, allow both the soles of your feet to come together in what we call butterfly pose. Breathe here. You may feel some sensation arise, which it is normal. But always remember that our props, just like our blocks that we saw earlier in the video, can create some space and elevation off the mat. Lower yourself down if you want to place that block underneath your lower half of your back for support or a pillow. Or you can allow those blocks to be on either side of your knees and your thighs to keep them open a little longer. Continue to breathe. Find what works within your body. You'll see me folding up a blanket and create your own bolster, another support prop for your back, especially the lower half where I tend to hold a lot of sensation. Get comfortable. If at any point you need to draw on the knees to relax them for a bit, do that. Inhale. Exhale them back open wide. Last breath in here. Breathe it in. Exhale, release. I'm bringing the blanket underneath my back on the lower half for a little bit of support and elevation off the mat. But if you're fine with your flat back, it's okay. I'm releasing the feet. Go ahead and bring them up to the wall. Just flat, bringing your knees at a 90-degree angle. and breathe here. Remember, your mind may wander, and that's okay. And draw your awareness back to your breath. You're welcome to straighten out those legs again against the wall, adjust where you need, and then find yourself settling here. Getting familiar in this asana or pose. And as those thoughts come back up, think of them as leaves on the river flowing by. Let them go. Take a big belly breath in and clear your space. I thank you so much for letting me join you in your practice. Today I just simply wanted to give you different alternatives of a form of relaxation using various props, such as a simple wall. I send light and love your way. Namaste and amen.